Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk post on multiple fan pages at once using MKT Page, an optimized solution that saves time and boosts work efficiency. MKT Page is a powerful tool for managing and posting content to multiple fan pages at the same time. With MKT Page, you can, white heavy checkmark manage multiple fan pages simultaneously. White heavy checkmark auto post with images, videos, or links. White heavy checkmark schedule posts flexibly by date and time. White heavy checkmark rotate content to avoid duplication. White heavy checkmark and many more. Awesome features. Step 1. Connect your fan pages. Go to the fan page management section, click add Facebook account, log in. MKT Page will automatically fetch the list of fan pages you manage. Step 2. Create your post. Go to post to page, enter your content, add images, videos, or links if needed. You can also use spin content to avoid repetition. Step 3. Select the fan pages to post on. Tick one or multiple fan pages. You can filter by groups or tags for easier management. Step 4. Schedule or post immediately. Choose post now or schedule by a specific date and time. Click post and the software will handle everything for you automatically. Direct. It's super simple, fast, no need to manually open each page like before. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.